Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. For those who are seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Gloria. I'm a YouTuber based in the province of Ontario here in Canada, and I love to share my experiences with everyone who's looking to immigrate down to this country, as well as sharing tips and other things that would help you to successfully immigrate here. So if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead right now and hit that red subscribe button, and please, I want to let you know that this particular video is a different one only because this is going to be a collaboration video with one of my very good friend who lives in a different part of Canada, a different province. Her name is Ngozi Atiti Vlogs. So guys, please, when you finish watching my own video, I will drop her link to her own particular channel so that you can go continue from where I stopped. But we'll get to that much later. So the topic today is challenges that newcomers or new immigrants face when they come to Canada. And today we're just going to center only on the weather, because we just found out that weather is a very important thing or important factor when you're moving to a new country, especially a new country like Canada. So we both decided that, you know what, let us just talk about this. And I am going to actually focus on the winter and the summer period, while Ngozi will also share our own experience about the other seasons as well. First and foremost, I want to let you know that there are 4 seasons here in this country, Canada. We have fall, we have spring, we have summer, we have winter. Sometimes in this country, I know there is a particular day and I experience 4 seasons in one day. It can always happen. So sit back, relax, and don't go anywhere because we're starting right now. I'm going to start with the summertime because that's one of the best season here in this country. In my opinion, I might be wrong, but the summertime for most persons who are coming from like a tropical country, like from where I am from, Nigeria, we tend to, we're used to the very warm weather. So if you are coming into Canada during the summer periods, which is between June and somewhere in September, June, July, August. So August, at the end of August, that's when the summer period is ended. So it's just 4 months of summer period. And most persons come in and they still feel very cold for the very first time when they come into the country. And I don't blame them because sometimes the summer here has some cold breeze attached to it. But the truth is, the summertime here in Canada that I've experienced, most times it's always humid. Even though the weather or the degrees is about like 35, 30 degrees, very warm, the humidity alone is what drives me nuts. Because you might think that it's just 35, 30 degrees, but then with the humidity, it's like maybe getting close to, sometimes I even wonder, am I in Sokoto or something like that? Because the air in Nigeria is dry, the air here in the summer is humid. So that's one thing you need to take note of as a newcomer or a new immigrant in Canada. But trust me, the summertime is a very good time, it's a very good season because we have more daylight time. You know, the day is always bright and very nice to be out. Most persons usually take their vacation around that time. Most persons go out for hiking, for camping. That is the period of time where you see all our ladies wear their shorts, even the guys wear their shorts, because that's the only period of time where we get a little bit of sunlight. And remember, you need like vitamin D in this country. So yeah, the summertime is a nice period of time to be in this country. It might be challenging for those who are new here because the breeze sometimes is cold and it might affect somebody who is coming in for the very first time. The cons of the summertime is that we have more animals that are out, so one needs to be very careful, especially for those who usually go hiking and camping. So we have things like the polar bears and the black bears. They are usually out during the summertime. And we have lots of insects too, like mosquitoes, even though our mosquitoes here don't bite, but we have lots of those. And we have wasps that come out during the summer period. Driving is very easy. The roads are dry, so sometimes you can take a road trip to like Ottawa, to Montreal, other places like that during the summer period. You can also I want you to also know fully well that in the summer period, it is very, very expensive to like go and book a hotel, because that's where a lot of people, a lot of tourists are in the country and they want to enjoy themselves. So it will be very, very expensive. But in all, I'm telling you, the summer here is very, very interesting. Are you ready for the winter? I am not ready for the winter. It's the winter season right now in Ontario, in Canada. It's very, very cold, guys. Even in my house, it's really, really cold. The reason why I'm wearing this is because I just want to be very, very warm when I'm filming this video. The winters in Canada can be very, very brutal. It gets so freezing cold. For somebody coming from a very tropical country down to Canada during the winter period, especially if you're coming down from the airport and the cold just slaps your face, oh my goodness, it is very, very terrible. Sometimes the weather could get as low as minus 25, 30 degrees or more, depending on the province where you are situated. Some province gets so cold, lots of snow than others. I have been in Ontario and I've witnessed like minus 40 degrees in 2015. So yeah, and when I came into the country, I came during the winter period, so I knew what visited me and what welcomed me to the country. I don't want that for any of you. So know fully well that there are also places in this country that are warm during the winter period, like in Vancouver, BC, and Nova Scotia, like I've heard, are very, very warm during the winter period. I'm not trying to scare you, but the winter period can be very, very depressing moment for a lot of people, especially those who are new here. The weather gets dark very, very easily. So sometimes it could be like 4, 5 o'clock and you're thinking it's like 9 p.m. Yes, that is what the winter does. And because it's depressing, a lot of people, especially Canadians, they usually like to travel to like warm countries like in Florida. We call them snowbirds. They travel to those kind of countries to keep themselves warm for the period of time. When the winter is completed, they come back. We call them snowbirds. Winter time is a time for you to be indoors, because driving in the winter time can be very crazy. I made a video about my worst driving in the winter here in this country. I'll drop the link so that you can go watch that video. Trust me, it's not fun driving in the winter time. Most persons just park their car and they just take public transport because they are scared of driving during the winter because of things like black ice and accidents that usually occur during the winter period of time. Also, I wanted you to also know that the coldest month on the winter period is January. So the winter lasts for like 6 months long, but we have it very, very bad in January because there's lots of snow. There's serious cold that comes with it. So if you're coming from like a tropical country, I always recommend that you wear something that is warm, especially if you're here. Buy a winter jacket from Canada here. Make sure you have your gloves and mittens. Mittens will keep all your 4 fingers. I'm sorry I don't have it here. I should have shown you. Wear a hat so that you don't get so cold on your head and your ears. Always protect your ears and your head during the winter time. Also protect your feet. Wear a very, very warm socks as well as a thick boot. This will help you to keep warm. I know some persons always dress like penguins, but trust me, even if you're dressed like a penguin, the more layers you wear, the better for you, because that way you're preventing yourself from getting cold. You trust me, you don't want to get cold. You don't want to fall sick in a country like Canada during the winter period. It's no fun. Well, I don't want to dwell too much on this particular thing because I know I have been talking about the winter in this country, and I don't want to talk more because I don't want to discourage anybody who is watching this video right now. I'm going to end my video right now, and Ngozi Atiti, like I mentioned earlier on, is going to talk about the other 2 seasons. Guys, I'm going to leave the description in my description box, the link to her channel. She is going to focus on the other 2 seasons, like the fall season and the spring season. She might also touch on some of the things that I've mentioned here, and you get her own perspective because she is from a different province. I just want to end this video right now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to Ngozi Atiti's channel. Tell her that you're from Brown Sugar TV's channel. Thank you so much, and please share my video to your friends and loved ones, and let them know too that the other part will be with my colleague or my friend Ngozi Atiti, who she will be talking about the other two things. So until I see you in my very next video, please stay safe and bye.